கல்வி சேனல். இந்த வீடியோவில் 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் யூனிட் 2 ஜியாகிரஃபியில் கிளைமேட் அண்ட் நேச்சுரல் வெஜிடேஷன் ஆஃப் இந்தியா அதோட புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம்.
Choose the correct answer. Western disturbance caused rainfall in Punjab. Helps in quick ripening of mangoes along the coast of Kerala and Karnataka. Mango shows is a line joining the place of equal rainfall isoages. The climate of India is labeled as tropical monsoon climate. The monsoon forest are otherwise called as deciduous forest. Sesanchalam is a biosphere reserve is situated in Andhra Pradesh. Is a part of the World Network Biosphere Reserve of UNESCO. Nilgiri, Agasthyamala, Great Nicobar.
Match the following: Sundarbans, Western Bengal, biodiversity hotspot the Himalaya, northeast monsoon October to December, tropical thorn forest, desert and semi-desert vegetation, the coastal forest, the retinifera forest.
Consider the given statements and choose the correct answer option from the given below ones. Assertion A. The Himalayas acts a climate barrier. Reason are the Himalayas prevents cold winds from Central Asia and keep the Indian subcontinent warm. Give option for this question. Both area and are true or explain A. Both area and are true or does not explain A. A is true or is false. A is false or is true. Answer. Both A and are true or explain A.
Forests are found in and around desert. Climate of India is affected by soil.
Weather and climate. Weather, it refers to the state of atmosphere of a given place at a given point of time. Climate, it is the accumulation of daily and seasonal weather events of a given location over a period of 30 to 35 years. It is a short-term atmospheric condition. It is a long-term atmospheric condition. It varies constantly. It does not vary constantly. The study of weather is called meteorology. The study of climate is called climatology.
Tropical evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Tropical evergreen forest. Deciduous forest. These forests are found in areas where the annual rainfall is more than 200 cm. These forests are found in areas where the annual rainfall is between 100 to 200 cm. The main regions are western slope of Western Ghats and parts of northeastern states and Andaman and Nicobar Island. They cover a large area of northern and peninsular region of India. These trees are evergreen and never shed their leaves. The trees shed their leaves for a few weeks in early summer. The important trees are ebony, mahogany, rosewood and ironwood. The important trees are teak, sandalwood, deer, sisal, sal and redwood.
Northeast monsoon. The winds blow in a northeast direction from North India towards Bay of Bengal, land and sea. Southwest monsoon. These winds blow in a southwest direction from the Indian Ocean towards India Sea to land. These winds pick up a moisture from Bay of Bengal and give a heavy rainfall to the Coromandel coast. They give heavy rainfall to east coastal plains and northern plain. They give rain during October, November. They give rains during June, September.
Give reason. Western coastal plain is narrow. Western coastal plain do not contain deltas, which in turn makes the plains narrow as there is lack of widening due to absence of deposit.
Indian was a tropical monsoon climate. Indian was a tropical monsoon climate because most of the Indian lies in the tropical belt and the climate of the place influenced by the monsoon winds which blow in the tropicals. Mountains are cooler than the plants. When the altitude increases, the temperature decreases. Temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meter of ascent. It's called normal lap rate.
Sir, briefly list the factors affecting climate of India. Climate of India is affected by the factors of latitude, distance from the seas, monsoon wind, relief futures and jet stream.
What is mean by normal lap rate? When the altitude increases, the temperatures decreases. Temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degree Celsius for every 1000 meter of ascent. It's called normal lap rate.
What are jet stream? Jet stream are the fast moving winds blowing in a narrow zone in the upper atmosphere. According to the jet stream theory, the onset of southwest monsoon is derived by the shift of the subtropical westerly jet from the plain of India towards the Dipan Plateau. The easterly jet stream causes tropical depression both during southwest monsoon and retreating monsoon.
Write a short note on monsoon wind. The word monsoon has been derived from the Arabic word mazoom, which means season. Originally, the word monsoon was used by Arab navigator several years ago to describe a system of seasonal reversal of wind along the shore of the India Ocean, especially over this Arabian Sea. It belongs from the southwest to northeast during summer and from the northeast to southwest during winter.
Name the 4 distinct seasons of India. The 4 distinct seasons of India are winter or cold weather season, January to February. Pre-monsoon or summer or hot weather season, March to May. Southwest monsoon or raining season, June to September. Northeast monsoon season, October to December.
Prior to the onset of southwest monsoon, the temperature in North India reaches up to 46 degrees Celsius. The sudden approach of monsoon wind over South India with lightning and thunder is termed as the break or burst of monsoon.
Name the area which receive heavy rainfalls. Answer the west coast, Assam, South Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh are the heavy rainfalls area which get more than 200 centimeter rainfalls.
State the places of mangrove forest in India. The Sundarbans located in the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta. The deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna rivers. The Pichavari mangroves in Tamil Nadu.
Great Nicobar, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Gulf of Mannar, Tamil Nadu, the Nilgiris, Tamil Nadu, Sundarbans, West Bengal, Panna, Madhya Pradesh.
Great Nicobar and
Write about the southwest monsoon. The southwest monsoon is the most significant features of the Indian climate. The onset of the southwest monsoon takes place normally over the southern tip of the country by the first week of June, advanced along the Konkan coast in the year June and covered with whole country by 15th July. The monsoon is influenced by global phenomenon like El Nino. Prior to the onset of the southwest monsoon, the temperature in the South India reached up to 46 degrees Celsius. The sudden approach of monsoon wind over the South India with lightning and thunder is termed as the break and burn of the monsoon. The monsoon is wind streaks against the southern tip of India landmass and get divided into two branches. One branch start from Arabian Sea and other branch from Bay of Bengal. Arabian Sea branch. The Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoon give average rainfall to the western coast of India, as it is located in windward side of the southwestern Ghat. The other Ghat, which advance toward north, is obtained by Himalayan mountains. The results in heavy rainfall in north. As Aravalli mountain is located parallel to the wind direction, Rajasthan, and western parts do not get much rainfall from this branch. Bay of Bengal branch. The Bay of Bengal branch moved towards northeast India. His wind trapped by a chain of mountains, namely Khako, Khasi, and Jaintia, are main responsible for the rainfall caused at Mauziran, located in Meghalaya. Overall, about 75% in Indian rainfall is received from his monsoon.
Describe the forest of India. Natural vegetation refers to a plant community unaffected by man either directly or indirectly. On the basis of the above factors, the natural vegetation of India can be divided into the following types. Tropical evergreen forest. These forests are found in areas with 200 cm or more annual rainfall. The annual temperature is about more than 22 degrees Celsius and the average annual humidity exceeds 70% in this region. Western Ghats in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Assam, West Bengal, Nagaland, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur and Meghalaya states have this type of forest. The most important trees are rubber, mahogany, ebony, rosewood, coconut, bamboo, cinchona, cans, palm, ironwood and kedar. Tropical deciduous forest. These are found in the areas with 100 to 200 cm annual rainfall. These are called monsoon forest. The trees of this forest drop their leaves during the spring and early summer. Teak and sal are most important trees. Sandalwood, rosewood, kusum, mahua, palas, haldu, amla, paduk, bamboo and tendu are the other trees of iconic importance. Tropical dry forest. These are found in the areas with 50 to 100 cm annual rainfall. These are found in East Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Western Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Eastern Maharashtra, Telangana, West Karnataka and East Tamil Nadu. The important spices are mahua, banyan, amalthas, palas, haldu, kikar, bamboo and babul, etc. These are called as tropical thorn forest. Mountainy forest. These forests are classified on the basis of altitude and the amount of rainfall. Accordingly, two different types of forests, namely Eastern Himalayas forest, Western Himalayas forest.
இதோட இந்த வீடியோ ஃபினிஷ் ஆகுது. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள்.